Supercharged. What I did is I took the supercharger off and put on the twin turbos. So this car's putting down about 1,200 horsepower.
Cool. Cool. I like it. I'm gonna roll the window up so I can get the sound.
Yeah. Actually, in this car we've hit 235 mile an hour in the mile.
Did you do the Texas Mile?
Yep.
Awesome.
And we just went out last weekend in Miami with my other car and hit 267.
Awesome. Jeez.
With this tire combination that's on the car, it makes these lower gears about useless.
Yeah.
This road is good.
Well, I've heard you leaving in first, and then in second I can hear you get on down and then get on it a little bit.
Yeah, these vans, kind of poor timing, but the car's set up real nice with Penske suspension. That's all you can do is laugh, man.
I love it. I love it.
So, do you race anymore yourself?
No, don't do it anymore. I did shifter karts for about 3 years. That was fun. Did some road racing and that, but no.
What do you do now?
I'm actually the IT director for a credit union.
Oh, are you?
Yeah. Still think about it, but just don't really do it anymore, unfortunately.
I'm looking for an IT director right now.
Really? Well, I'll make sure not to show the. I'm filming this right now, so I'll make sure not to show the people I work with.
Well, you can edit that part out.
Yeah, I can edit that part. Yeah, I'm not going to answer that. Oh, okay. What would that? Oh my God. Insane. That's the only word to describe it. Insane. Now my mom is next.
I'll go easy.
She's a gear nut too.
Is she?
Yeah. That was awesome. Let me stop this.